Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to view your referral code in GCash. If you are interested in getting started with GCash, you can use the link in the description below. First, launch the GCash app on your smartphone and log into your account using your credentials. Then, tap the profile button located at the lower right corner of the screen. In the main menu, select the Refer Friends option. Here, you will see your unique referral code along with the options to share via SMS, email, or social media. That's how you can view your referral code in GCash. Don't forget to use the link in description to get started. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.